Well, I never thought I'd say it, but I've ditched the LPG and I've gone full 240 volts. So I'm boiling kettles, I'm using induction cookers, and I've got to say I'm enjoying it. It's lighter, it's easier, and I can do that because I've got 400 amp hours of lithium power. That's made up of two 200 amp hour REDARC batteries, and they're properly rated at 200 amp hours each. Some battery brands tend to overstate it a little bit, but the REDARCs are a proper 200 amp hour battery. So let me show you how it all works here. So here is the brains. This is this REDARC TVMS Rogue. TVMS stands for Total Vehicle Management System. And the brains of it is all this REDARC system here. So this screen, you can hook it up to an app, but let me walk you through it. You can program in just about any electrical device that you could think of taking camping. So we've got our inverter there, on, off, bang. We've got our lights, there we go. Turn them on the side of the vehicle, turn them on the other side, turn them on the back of the vehicle. So that is so easy to set up. We've got our fridge power. We've even got our air compressor there, and there's more and more screens that you can set up in this system. Right next to that is the important thing to run kettles and induction cookers, and that is this inverter. So it's a 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter. Pure sine wave basically means that you're getting really safe power. It's not going to spike your electrical system, so it's not going to damage something sensitive like a laptop or something like that. So that is really safe power, and this power here is all supplemented not just through the power from the vehicle's alternator, but the REDARC solar panel on the roof. Now, in practical terms, this system has taken an absolute battering. Not only does it power my cooking gear, it powers our film gear, and you would be surprised just how rarely this system gets below about 80%. It is probably overkill. 400 amp hours is a hell of a lot of power, but for the way that I like to travel and the time that I like to spend off-road and away from grid power, this setup suits me absolutely brilliantly. It is mostly, well, it's actually all designed and engineered in Australia, this entire setup, and the majority of it is actually made in Australia too. Solar panel not, but no one makes solar panels in Australia really anyway. So this setup here, beautifully designed, and designed also for the high temperatures that we tend to get off-road as well. Some systems are more set up for marine where the temperatures don't often get that high, but the REDARC stuff is properly tested for Aussie conditions, and that means that it's just going to last and last and last, which is the way I like it, and it certainly hasn't failed me yet.